Hi everyone, it's Bren with Addicted to Cricut, bringing you another Cricut tutorial. Today we're going to talk about monograms. And Cricut's made it really easy. They gave us a free monogram creator. So let's just get started. Down here on the left hand side at the bottom of your toolbar, it says monogram, so click it. And it's working slowly, of course. So up here in this area right here, you can put up to 4 initials. I just put 1. You can actually tell it what you want to do. And then you have all kinds of different fonts to choose from, okay? Modern, elegant, handwritten, and vintage. So choose a monogram that you like, a font that you like, and then you can surround it by a box. You can choose all kinds of different things. You can actually just come on through here. And all you have to do is put it on the canvas, just like that. That's what I've done with all of these. And it's working very slowly today. And that's it. That's how you do it. Now let's go back. And there is another thing to click on here. It's called thematic. And go there, and now it gives you all kinds of different things to put around your monogram or put it in. This is really fun to just go in and play with it. You can toggle through the font here. Go in and play with it and just see what you think. It's that easy, you guys. So once you get it to the canvas, I do believe that you can ungroup it and change the colors. I just haven't tried to do that. I just was playing with it. That's it, you guys. That's how easy that monogram feature on Cricut is. So go and have fun playing with it. Happy crafting.